Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of Natural Crafts. We're going to make a fall leaf wreath and it's really easy. All you have to do is go out into nature and collect some amazing fall colored leaves. And then all you need is a wreath base, some cardboard, hairspray, and a glue gun. Now the first thing you do is lay all your leaves out on a piece of cardboard, fold it over. I tape up the sides just so nothing falls out, and then lay something heavy on top and let it sit for about 24 hours. Then once they're all flattened out, I use a little bit of hairspray because it keeps the color really brilliant and it will actually help them last for years. And then just grab a grapevine wreath base. At the end of this video, I have a link that shows you how to make your own grapevine wreaths, and it's super easy. But the thing I like about grapevine wreaths is because it winds around, there's a lot of different spots on it for where you can place the leaves. And it's really simple. Just put a little bit of glue on the back of a leaf and then place it on the grapevine base. And what I like to do first is lay some leaves around the outer edges to form kind of the base. And then as you're filling in, layer them on top, but at different angles. You don't want them all going in the same direction. So I've done my first layer, now I've started on my second layer, and I like to vary up the colors as well so you get a nice contrast. And you just keep adding more leaves until you're happy with the thickness, but it is that simple. Now when you're out there looking for leaves, don't forget to look for those grapevine branches. In the fall, they're kind of a yellowish color, the leaves on them, so you'll be able to find those, and then click on the link because I'll show you how to make your grapevine base. And don't forget to subscribe to Natural Crafts because every season I show you how to find things in nature to make amazing seasonal crafts.